In this video, I'm going to be installing Hyper-V on Server 2016, and I will also install Windows 10 when I'll set up Hyper-V server. First thing we need to do, start Server Manager. Right here, we need to click on Manage, Add Roles and Features, Next, Next. Right here, I'm going to leave Next. Okay, and right here I will select Hyper-V, and I'll have to install additional features that is recommended. So I'm gonna click Add Features, and I will click Next, Next, Next. You'll have to select Ethernet adapter, the ones that is gonna work as a switch. Mine is Ethernet 5. I'm gonna put a check mark here and then click Next. I'm gonna leave the settings as default, Next. And right here on this page, I'm gonna change the hard disk file location and machine configuration files. I'm gonna click on Browse, this PC, select New Volume F and click OK. And the same thing right here. Change this to Volume F. And then Next. I'll put a check mark here. It will restart if it's needed. And install. It rebooted twice on me. Okay, looks like it's done. Now we can go to Tools and select Hyper-V Manager. And from here we can install virtual machine. On a server, you can right click on a server, click on New Virtual Machine, click Next. I'm gonna call it Windows 10 because that's what I'm gonna install. I'm gonna leave this as default. I'm gonna click Next. I'm gonna leave as default as well. I'm gonna assign memory. I'm gonna assign 4 gigs. And I'm gonna use this network interface card that works as a switch. That's how big my hard drive is going to be. I'm going to give it 500. And installation option. I'm going to put radio button next to install an operation system from bootable CD or DVD-ROM. Then I'm going to choose the image file ISO. I'm going to browse, and it's on my desktop. This is the one that I'm going to use. Click Open. And then Next. And right here you can review the configuration that you assigned to this virtual machine and then click Finish. And now it's creating virtual machine. And right here, this is a virtual machine. This is Windows 10 that was just created. Right click on it and click Start. I'm gonna click Connect. This is Virtual Machine Console, and now we can install Windows 10. I'm gonna skip the keys for now. Accept terms and conditions, click Next. Custom install, just choose I'm gonna use this whole drive and then Next. And it's installing. Alright, installation is done. So now you can use your virtual machine, or when you're done, you can just turn it off. And this process took me from 15 to 20 minutes, probably because I was not installing over SSD. I had regular hard drive, the one that I use for storage, so that's probably took a little longer, but usually it installs between 5 to 10 minutes. And once you're done using your virtual machine, you can just shut it down. And close this window. And now right here, you can add as many machines as you need to, as long as you have enough resources on your host system to run all of your virtual systems, virtual machines. Thanks for watching.